Today we have Opel Sintra. Door lock mechanism was not working properly for the rear sliding door. This side is the left one, and here I'm showing you how the handle is bolted to the door. To reach that, you need to remove the interior panel, and from inside you need to remove the complete mechanism for door opening and unlocking in order to remove the handle. Here I'm showing you that the interior panel handle, how it's attached to the door. There is that clip, and that's the panel which I've already removed. Couldn't record while working. The problem of that door was that the handle needed to be adjusted, and you couldn't open the door from outside. You can open the door from inside, but you couldn't open the door from outside. In this case, you need to do adjustment through this bolt that I'm showing you right now. You have to unscrew it, and you can adjust. Over time the cable wire gets slack, and I believe that is the reason why the door was not able to be opened from outside. I'm showing you here the bolts. There are 3 bolts, socket 10, that you need to remove in order to remove the handle. But one of the bolts you cannot access until you don't remove complete mechanism, and the mechanism is held by 3 bolts. You can see the holes here. And 4 more torque screw bolts, which are located on the side. Those bolts right here.